Mars! Magandang araw! Char! So this is my update after a week after I had my 11th session of DIY TCA Cross using 100% solution. So I will try to speak in English as much as possible for my other viewers. So don't judge me, I'll just try my best to speak in English. By the way, today is my day 8, which is the day today, and this is my day 1. So that's how my face look during my day 1. So as you can see, I had pigmentation on the areas where I applied the TCA solution. So that's why sunscreen is very important to avoid it or minimize it. And again, mga Mars, the first part of this video was just taken today, August 14, 2022, of course, which is my day 8. So let's go ahead and then move on to my day 2. So I still had pigmentation all over my face. OMG, please help me. My English is about to dissolve. Going back, but the pigmentation or the marks or the spots on my face are not that dark. So I highly suggest or advise, if you want to try TCA as much as possible, stay at home forever and always wear sunscreen. Yes, stay at home forever. Alright, so let's move on. This is my day 3. Still, the dark marks or spots from TCA are still there, but during that day, some parts are started to develop scabs or like a dry skin or the crust over a wound. And also, my pimples that day also came. They starting to grow. It's because I went out and I need to wear a mask. And the oil, yes, the mass production of oil on my face every time I wear mask. Comment if you can relate. So this was still my day 3 after taking a shower. So this was taken late afternoon. So some of the scabs on my face fall off while taking a shower. And of course, it will leave redness of the skin or on my skin since it's somehow wounds-like. And that's what I'm talking about. One of my pimples is on my nose. Say hi to my pimples. Pimple. Char. So that's how my face looks like. Or looks like. So that's how it's look. Oh my god, my English. I'm really sorry. Okay, so that's it. So let's move on to my day 4. Sana all can move on. Char. So you can see redness on my skin, especially on the areas after the scabs fall off. And there are areas that still have scabs, which are those dark marks or spots that you can see on my face. And also I noticed that some of my deep scars after the scabs fall off, it has improvement already, which is 10 to 15% improvement. And on those shallow scars of mine, it's 20 to 30% improvement, and I love it. And I don't know if you can notice it on this video. Just compare it to my past videos. But don't worry, soon I will show you compilation of my past pictures. So this is my day 5, and most of the scabs fall off during this day, but there are still some. And you can also notice that I only had mild redness on my skin this day. And I can really say that I can really see a difference or improvement on my scars after using 100% solution. So yeah. So alright, so day 6. So very few scabs or dark spots or marks are left on my face, and some of the scars are completely healed or fully healed, especially those shallow scars. And also just to share, because those scars which are my deep scars, there are still scabs on it but no pigmentation, just a regular scabs that has the same color with my skin tone, and I will discuss that on the next part, which is day 7. Yeah, so this was my face, so just the same as day 6, but going back, so as mentioned, my face still has scabs but same color with my skin tone. So that's why skincare and sunscreen is very important after your TCA session, because I'm telling you, without proper care, you will have hyperpigmentation, and even if the scabs fall off, it will leave dark spots or marks on your face up to or more than a month. So yeah, so that's it. Bye!